Rolling into fun, exploring inline skating. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a really exciting topic: inline skating. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just curious about different activities, this video will help you understand what inline skating is all about and how you can talk about it in English. So, let's get rolling. Inline skating, often known as rollerblading, is a popular recreational activity. It involves skates that have wheels arranged in a single line. Unlike traditional roller skates, which have 2 wheels in front and 2 at the back, inline skates typically have 3 to 5 wheels, all aligned in a straight line. This unique design offers greater speed and agility, making inline skating a favorite for both leisure and sport. The history of inline skating is quite fascinating. It dates back to the early 1700s, but it wasn't until the 1980s that it gained massive popularity. The term rollerblading actually comes from a popular brand of inline skates called Rollerblade. Although there are many brands now, this name has stuck and is often used interchangeably with inline skating. When talking about inline skating, it's crucial to discuss the equipment. The basic gear includes the skates, a helmet, and protective pads for knees, elbows, and wrists. Safety is key in inline skating, especially for beginners. It's also important to skate in safe areas, away from traffic and on smooth surfaces. Inline skating is not just fun, it's also a great form of exercise. It improves balance, agility, and cardiovascular health. It's a low-impact activity that provides a full-body workout, engaging legs, core, and arm muscles. Plus, it's a wonderful way to enjoy the outdoors and explore new places. For beginners, learning to inline skate can be both exciting and challenging. Start with the basics. Learning how to balance, glide, stop, and turn. It's often recommended to take a few lessons or practice with someone experienced. Remember, everyone falls at first, but with practice, you'll improve quickly. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what inline skating is and maybe even inspired you to try it out. Remember, whether you're skating for fun, fitness, or just to enjoy the outdoors, it's a fantastic way to add some excitement to your life. Keep practicing your English, and maybe we'll see you rolling around in your new inline skates soon. Happy skating and learning!